Here is the card vanishes sequence. This is killer stuff. I do this all the time. When I'm just standing in line somewhere and I've got my driver's license, credit card, whatever, I'm just constantly doing this, constantly practicing. Just like that. It's like subconscious for me already. Now, not too much of this really original. It's just my own take on a nice little routine that I use all the time. The sucker vanish, I've never seen anyone else do, so I'm not sure. It's just a sucker vanish with a card. Here's the way this works. First off, we're going to learn about Tenkai and the most comfortable way to get into Tenkai. Now, Tenkai is where a card goes into your hand. One of it's going to hit the middle of your palm, and the other end is going to be held by your thumb. Okay? And this is going to be held with the direction of your wrist. So this card is pretty much perpendicular to your hand with the long side against you here. Now, the way this should feel comfortable is that you can actually take the card and using just your middle and ring finger, move it backwards, so you're tilting it up first, and then pushing it into your thumb. My middle finger pushes it, and you see it, and then you can release, because it does the pressure. That's how you should go into Tenkai. So from the front, if it wasn't covered, you'd be barely moving your fingers, and they could be extended. Now, so that's what you're doing. You're going into Tenkai. Now, angles. Angles are key. The way to do Tenkai, you can do this for multiple people. I'll do this for a few people in front of me. This isn't just one person, a one-on-one thing. All you have to do is be very conscious of where your hand is pointing. This is what you want to see, your spectators see, just that part of your hand. Right there, Tenkai is invisible. If you're hitting right here, you can't see it. If you go down, you can. If you go up, you can. But right here is real easy to move around with. Now, it's not the most natural position, but if you're making gestures, it's not too bad. I mean, if you're on the move, it looks really good. And this is a quick routine. It's not, you're not sitting there going like this for an hour. Now, what you're doing for the first vanish is you're bringing your left hand above the card, and as soon as the left hand covers it, you're moving the card into Tenkai. So that's all it is. As soon as the card is obscured, you're moving it into Tenkai. The least amount of finger movement as possible is best, because as soon as you cover it, your fingers are covered in order to go into Tenkai. So it's going to look just like this. And then you're going to conceal your hand as if you have it, wave, okay? Keeping the back of your hand towards the spectator, wave. Now here's the equipment. Here's how you're going to make one hand look empty. You're going to rub this one across. The card is in Tenkai, okay? Rub it across. Now as you lift up, I just dropped the card onto my hand. The card is actually being dropped flat onto my hand. My other hand is lifting up and leaning backwards, okay? The card does not fall off. So you're rubbing down, dropping as you shift up. Okay, now this is angles. This is probably the hardest part of the whole routine. You want to lift up, show it, and then come back down and pop it back into your hand. And then you're going to produce. Okay, so that's the equipment. Down, drop, move up, make sure this part of your hand is showing to the audience. Come back down, steal, produce. Okay, producing is the same. You just fingers in, out. Now, the next portion, the sucker vanish. You're going to hold the cards in your left hand between your thumb, middle, and ring finger, like a spellbound for a coin. You're going to come over like a tent vanish, but you're really going to take the card. When you take it, drop your other hand out of the way, okay, like you have it, like you're concealing it. Now what you're going to do is from here, you're going to go into Tenkai by squeezing the card in and into Tenkai, okay? So here's what it looks like from the back. Squeeze in, open your fingers like the card's disappeared. So squeeze into Tenkai, open your fingers. So here's the sucker vanish. Tent vanish, drop your hand. Push into Tenkai, looks like it's gone, and then turn this hand over, and just this move. You're going to squeeze it in from a palm, Tenkai. As you come back down, show it empty, show this hand empty, boom. The last sequence, very easy. All you're doing is the move into Tenkai with motion. Okay? And you're going to make sure your angles are so that your hand is facing right at them. Okay? So here's what it looks like from the side. Into Tenkai, forward. That's all there is to it. The next one is just boom, produce. Okay? So one more time from the top. Going to grab the card, Tenkai, hand equipment, you're dropping, produce. Sucker vanish. Actually palm it. Turn this hand down. Move into Tenkai, show it gone. Turn this hand over, produce. And finally, one last time, vanish. Okay, make sure that when you vanish, you go up to vanish, and then produce from their ear or wherever you'd like. That's the card vanish. I use it all the time. I hope you use it and enjoy it.